In a small, peaceful village with fields of wildflowers, there was an old woman named Miss Clara. She had lived in the village all her life, taking care of her beautiful garden. Her garden was the village's envy, with its beautiful flowers, fragrant herbs, and delicious vegetables. But for all her diligent efforts, Miss Clara thought that her life was ordinary and meaningless. She wished that she were like the adventurers who traveled the world, or the inventors who produced great things. One sunny afternoon, while she was taking care of her garden, Miss Clara noticed a boy named Oliver looking at her from behind the fence. His eyes were wide with wonder. "Hi there, Oliver," greeted Miss Clara with a warm smile. "Would you like to help me in the garden?" Oliver nodded, and over the fence he went. While they worked together, Miss Clara told him about her life. In the village, she told him how happy she was when she planted seeds and watched them grow, how delightful it was to harvest fresh vegetables, and how nice it was to share her food with the people around her. When they finished, Oliver said, "Miss Clara, your garden is magical. You make the village beautiful and keep us all well-fed and happy." Inspired by his words, Miss Clara smiled but said, "Thank you, Oliver. But sometimes I think that my life is very ordinary compared to others." Oliver stopped, then spoke. "I want to show you something." He took Miss Clara by the hand and led her through the village. They stopped in front of many houses, and at each house, someone emerged to share a story. A woman told Miss Clara that she had cured her child's sickness with her herbs. An old man told her that her flowers had brightened his day after his wife's passing. A young couple told her that they were thankful for the fresh vegetables that had sustained them during a trying time. Oliver led Miss Clara to the center of the village where a group of villagers had assembled. They had made a beautiful arrangement, using her flowers, herbs, and vegetables from her garden. "This is our thank you," Oliver said. "You've enriched all of our lives in ways you may not even know, but we do, and we're thankful." Miss Clara's eyes filled with tears as she gazed upon the faces of her neighbors, each one radiating appreciation and love. She knew her life was anything but ordinary. Her garden wasn't flowers. It was a source of life, healing, and joy to the entire village. From that day forward, Miss Clara enjoyed her life with a new sense of appreciation and joy. She loved her garden even more, knowing every seed she planted and every flower that bloomed made a difference. And thus, the story of Miss Clara reminded us of the ability of small, mundane acts to change the world. She learned to appreciate each day and enjoy the simple pleasure of maintaining her garden, never again doubting the value of her own precious life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.